Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use VW Golf Jack Full Guide. Position the car on firm level ground, set the parking brake, and chock the wheels opposite the lift point. Locate the manufacturer jack point near the pinch weld or factory mark and remove any hubcap or trim that blocks access. Lift slowly while watching the jack and vehicle contact, then place rated jack stands under the correct support points before lowering the car onto them. Start by inspecting the jack for leaks, bent parts, or missing fasteners, and test its pumping action on the ground. Position the jack so the saddle contacts the factory lift point squarely and avoid offset loading or slipping risks. Pump the jack handle with smooth, even strokes until the tire clears the ground. Then insert rated jack stands at manufacturer support points and lower the vehicle gently onto them before removing the jack. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation. I love durable socks when working on cars. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals and extras I mentioned. Your support makes a difference. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by loosening the lug nuts about 1 full turn while the car remains on the ground to reduce wheel rotation. Lift the car with the jack and secure it on jack stands so the wheel hangs freely. Then finish removing lug nuts and take the wheel off straight to avoid damaging studs. Mount the spare wheel, hand thread lug nuts in a star pattern, lower the car, and torque the nuts to the factory specification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.